Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers One Man Circus. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple flower using 2 balloons. I am going to go ahead and use this nice big balloon pump to show you how awesome it works. You want to just take the balloon, put it right around the nozzle, pick up the balloon pump right about chest level, hold on to the balloon around the nozzle, and press down. 1 pump. Nice balloon pump. Make sure to burp the balloon, let a little bit of air out, twist it. You can make a large stem from the petals to the flower, or you can make a small one. I usually do it about hand span. You want to go ahead and pinch it, twist it towards you, and just make your first petal. Pinch it and twist it. Then you want to make another one on the other side, just about the same size as that other petal. Pinch it and twist it. And there you have your flower stem, or your sword, or a cross. For the petals, I'm going to go ahead and use a red balloon. Once again, give it a nice pump all the way. I let quite a bit more air out because you're going to be twisting this a little bit more. Now you want to just take and join the ends. Come to the middle, pinch it, twist it. Then come about into the middle again, pinch it together, twist it. And what I like to do is take one of those ends and put it through. That locks that into place. And then just about that much, twist those two. Bring this inside, just like that. I'll bring it a little bit closer. You want to take this part and put it right inside here, pull it, and make sure that these ends go inside the balloon, just like that. So it'll look like a little football. And then you want to take it and push it together, just like that, and twist it. It's important when you're doing this that you don't make faces like this. These kids will run. I had to talk myself into smiling as I make the balloon. Smile, smile. Now you take the stem, pull this right over this. Connect it right into there, just like that. And just wrap it right around that little ball there. And there you have your flower. Hit the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.